Hello friends, I'm Avinash. Today I will show you how to make an intro. Now let's start. Friends, you can download the application. This application name is KineMaster app. I can give link in the description box. You can download it in the description box in this app. First you can open this app. Then wait sometimes, then click the plus icon. Then empty project. Then wait sometimes. Then click the media browser. Then select a background. I select this black background. Then click the right. Then you can click here, then click the black one, then you can select a color. I select this blue color, violet color. Now it will be okay. Then click the layer, then click the text, then you can write a text to your channel name. I write the Technical Avinash Mindmaster, my channel name. I can write here, friends. Now it will be right. Then click the OK. Then make it big. Then it will okay. Then click the A1. Then select your handwriting. I select this handwriting, friends. Then click the right. Then click the then you can make it big. Then click the overlap animation. Then you can go to the last. Then click the floating. Then click the OK, friends. Now you can come in here. Then it will make. Then we can see here. Let me show you the intro. Like this you can make. Then click the audio. Then you can select a music, friends. I have no music, that's why I am not give the music. Then you can click here. Then click the share option. Then click the export memory. Then click the save to gallery. Then you can click the full HD. Then it will be saved to your gallery, friends. Okay friends, if you like this video, please click the like option. If you're new in this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see my new videos first. Okay, bye bye friends.